Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can remove the label off of jars. Usually it's glass jars, but yeah. Anyways, you're gonna want to use warm water and, I guess make sure it's not too warm where it would burn you, because that would be bad. But you would also want to just take your fingers and rub it off or like scratch it off with your nails. If you don't want to use your fingers, because, like, it kind of feels gross to touch the, like, glue and all that, 'cause it's kind of like slimy and stuff. You could use something else to scrape it off, but, like, try to use something that's not going to scratch it. So, maybe there's some sort of scrubby thing that you could use to get that off, but it's kind of easy to just use your fingers and your nails um, to get it off. So then, it's more, I feel like, controlled on everything. But yeah, that's kind of just how you kind of do it. The warm water will really like help getting it off because it'll make the glue stuff come off easier and better. So it's better if you use warm water or hot water, just as long as it doesn't burn you. And then once you don't feel any of the glue or anything left on there and you don't think there's anything left, then you can go ahead and dry it. You can either like let it sit and dry or you can like use a towel and dry it, but you know, either way works. And then you can see, you know, how clean it is. You can, if there's anything left, you can still try to scrub it off and whatever, but you know, you just gotta make sure everything's off and then it's completely clear and clean and good enough to use for something else. And you can put different stickers on it if you wanted to, or you can use it for whatever else that you would want to use it for. So yeah, hopefully this was, I guess, good enough. Hopefully it helped, and yeah, so I guess that is kind of it. So bye then.